Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT. Y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of TT Squad. So we gonna do an unboxing today on some products. So let's get into it. So these products are from SHEIN, and these are on purses and shoes that I got from them recently. So the first product I have is a purse. It's from SHEIN. It's called Fashion and Bags. It is beige and it's really cute. It's like a little mini purse that you can, and it's really deep, so you can put a lot of stuff in it, and it comes with a little chain to wear across your shoulder. So I really like that. And this bag was $3 on SHEIN.com. So that's really cute. The next thing I also got with this bag to match is these slides. Let me take it out so you guys can see them. So these are really cute. I like how they are. Sorry, they were backwards. But they're beige with a transparent see-through on the side. They're really cute. I got these are in the size 8 woman, which is a 39 size. And yeah, this is a neutral slide, so you can wear this with anything. Really love that. But I bought it to go with the purse. Then my next thing I have is these slides also from SHEIN. You see the bags at SHEIN. These, I forgot the name of them on SHEIN, but these are like the light pink with the sequins. These are so cute. These are size 8 in American, but it's a 39 number. So I bought these. These were, I want to say, between $10 to $14. So these are cute. I love all SHEIN shoes. These shoes is bomb, y'all, for real. Then my last pair of shoes I got from SHEIN. Now, I know the box. Every time they send me a box, they just get raggedy, but the shoes ain't raggedy, okay? They still real cute. But these are also from SHEIN. These are my favorite. These are the first slides. These are size 8, which is a 39 again. And what's unique about these shoes, you can wear them, you know, on an anklet like this. Or if you don't want it on your ankle, you just wear it like that. So I really love those. So tell me what you guys think of my unboxing stuff. Thank you.